Good morning, classmates. Hi, ma'am. Good morning. So, yung assigned topic ko is introductory phrases. So, unang meaning. Introductory phrases are group of words that come at the beginning of a sentence, providing context or background information before the main idea is introduced. So, and also, ito ay kumikilos bilang isang transition na nagtatagda ng lugtong para sa natitirang bahagi ng pangungusap at nagpapahiwatig na ang pangunahing mensahe ay darating pa rin. Then, so yung sabi-sampo, kaya example na ito is nakabutangan ito ng 1. It is possible that, blah, blah, blah. So, then will you say that, blah, blah, blah. So, sa kuwan na din sa introductory phrases sa mga wala. So, how po ano niya hanap? Nauna niya ka na ang purpose na gusto mo ipaniwatig. Sangkan mo, tiyabon sa isa ka tao. Like sa purpose of meaning introductory phrases provide background information. Then, set the scene or introduce a topic before the main idea of a sentence is presented. So, yun. Yung example natin yung example ng introductory phrases, when after the meeting was over. So, the staff was fixed. Okay, so, para madaling masabtan, yung introductory phrases, meaning group of words that come at the beginning of a sentence. So, yun. And then, next is qualifying words or phrases. So, are those that limit, modify, or enhance the meaning of other word or phrases in a sentence? So, then, also, ito ay mahalagang nagdadagdag ng nouns at specificity sa mga makayak na nagpapahintulot ng mga manunulat at tagapagsalita na magpahayag ng antas ng katiyakan, intensity o posibilidad na kuanaan. Then, example sa libro, meaning the mind, perhaps, someone, to some extent, ang meaning ng example sa book na nagpasabot sa qualifying words or phrases. Then, and also, another example, intensity, ang tawag na very, really, extremely, mga example sa qualifying words or phrases. So, example is meaning that temperature is slightly colder today. Limit the degree of coldness. Ang example na qualifying words and phrases. That's all. Thank you.
Question,
guys.
siya mag-question.
So, my question is, what is the differences between introductory phrases and qualifying words or phrases? So, differences nila is, introductory phrases, typically come at the beginning of a sentence, often providing background information or setting the stage or the main process. Then, qualifying words or phrases, on the other hand, modify or enhance the meaning of other words. So, some kind of words like verbs, nouns, adjectives, or adverbs by adding details or nouns. So, yun.
Feedback.
Okay, alam ko lang is, yung PPT mo is good, and then gawin mo mag-express ng explanation is understandable na mag-isap, and then yung alam ko lang is, dapat kalmado pa lang, and then, enjoy mo lang sa i-own yung
That's all.